Handheld gaming PCs have evolved from casual couch devices to powerful machines ready to take on the most demanding games. Enter the Acer Nitro Blaze 11, a mammoth in the world of handheld gaming, combining size, power, and performance in one incredible package. With a massive 10.95-inch touchscreen, the Nitro Blaze 11 dwarfs its competitors, including the popular Steam Deck OLED. Its impressive size is perfect for gamers who crave a larger display, but still want the portability of a handheld device. The screen isn't just big, it's fast. With a 120Hz refresh rate, games look smooth and responsive, making your gaming experience feel fluid and immersive. While it's an IPS LCD display, it offers great quality, even if it doesn't quite match OLED in terms of vibrancy and contrast. Under the hood, the Nitro Blaze 11 is powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 8840HS processor, paired with the Radeon 780M graphics card. It's got 16GB of RAM and up to 2TB of storage, delivering all the power you need for even the latest AAA games. Whether you're gaming or streaming, the Nitro Blaze 11 has you covered. It features Hall effect thumbsticks and triggers for ultra-precise control. Plus, it's equipped with USB 4 and USB 3.2 ports, and even a micro SD slot to expand your storage. A front-facing camera is also included for video calls or streaming. What's more, it's designed for comfort. Weighing just over a kilogram, the Nitro Blaze 11 might feel hefty, but its detachable controllers and built-in kickstand let you game hands-free. Now you can kick back, relax, and play without worrying about holding the device. It's portable, but be prepared to turn heads when you pull this beast out in public. The Nitro Blaze 11 is sure to attract attention with its bold design and immense power. Not a fan of the size? Acer's got you covered with the Nitro Blaze 8. Slightly smaller with an 8.8-inch screen and a faster 144Hz refresh rate, the Blaze 8 offers nearly identical performance in a more compact form. Both devices come with a 65-watt charger, though the larger Blaze 11 uses a 100-watt charger for quicker refueling. To sweeten the deal, Acer is offering 3 months of PC Game Pass with both models, giving you access to a library of must-play games like Indiana Jones and the Great Circle and Stalker 2: Heart of Chernobyl. The Acer Nitro Blaze 11 and 8 are set to change the handheld gaming landscape. Available soon, the Blaze 8 will hit Europe this March, with the Blaze 11 following shortly after. Bigger, bolder, and better than ever. Get ready to game like never before with the Acer Nitro Blaze 11. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest tech and gaming gear. See you next time.
Hold me close till I get up.